That passenger also said
Thursday, check-in day. Kept it a little back today. The man with two backs. Yeah. Tapping into my inner around the moment. Deadlift, heavy back. I train back heavy. Currently, I sit at about 172 pounds. No, 178% body fat. Got a little bit more to go, but I'm getting there. Old man, almost 49 in January. Boom, look at that, 170 pounds. Look at those candles.
George, good morning. Senator Mitt Romney's career in American politics may be coming to an end, but not without a stark warning for the future
Wheels
of the
too,
party
baby.
and the country.
Wheels.
This morning, Senator Mitt Romney calling for a new generation of leadership, announcing he will not.
A lot of y'all, you skip a leg day.
I just don't think that we need